Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and initiating the system. Connect the camera and NIR sensor, then power on the GPU. Make sure drivers and CUDA/CU DNN are current. Next, authenticate the biometric SDK with your API key. You need secure network access for licensing and model downloads. Once done, load a small labeled test dataset to validate input formats and timestamps, because real-time pipelines fail when samples mismatch. Finally, start the acquisition service so frames stream into the preprocessing queue. You now configure the processing pipeline to maintain low latency and accuracy. Route incoming frames into a lightweight preprocessor that resizes, normalizes, and timestamps each frame. Keep per frame latency under 10 ms. Then run inference on the GPU with batch size 1 for real-time responsiveness, using confidence thresholds and multi-frame fusion to reduce false positives. Once the model outputs identities or metrics, forward them to the decision engine, update audit logs, and apply privacy filters so only authorized attributes are retained. You finish by validating end-to-end performance and preparing for issues. Run calibration with site-specific samples to tune thresholds and reduce bias, and then stress test the pipeline for sustained FPS and acceptable latency. Monitor GPU load and error metrics continuously. Make sure logging and audit trails are active, because traceability matters. If something goes wrong, immediately isolate the network, verify the raw camera feed, and rerun diagnostics to identify hardware versus model failures. This single troubleshooting step resolves most real-time issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.